the best Sindhi composer, Asir Nizamani. He is composing Ibrahim Khal's book. He has achieved world record, and his name will be included in Guinness Book of World Records soon. Currently he is composing Hindi. His record is 164 words per minute. Altaf Sheikh, renowned writer and traveler, once he commented for Asir Nizamani that I have never seen such a talented guys in South Asia. Multi-level composer. As far as other activities are concerned, he is the best photographer. संदस हथ जरा कीबोर्ड ते पवंदा आहिनि त लॻंदा ई न आहिनि संदस हथ आहे या मशीन आहे. Thank you, Behin Gurbat.